Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about Minimax Hailuo AI. First of all, open your Google and type Hailuo AI. Now click on the first link. First thing first, you have to first create an account. Click on the sign in option in the top. Now continue with Google. Choose an account. Again on continue. Now on I got it. Your account has been successfully created. First, they give you 1100 credits, which are completely free. After that, you have to buy subscription. For buying subscription, click on the account option in the corner. Here you can see that we are on a free trial. For buying subscription, click on manage subscription. Here you can see the yearly packages and the monthly packages. You can choose standard, pro and unlimited. It's up to you. Hailuo AI's animation are much better than Lemon Labs. These smooth animations can be used commercially. They save you so much time and energy. Scroll down to see different videos and you can get inspo from them. I'm playing one. You can recreate it by clicking on the recreate option in the bottom. You can save it by clicking on the save option. You can share it by clicking on the share option. Now for creating, click on the plus icon in the bottom. Here on 12V01, you have to upload the image, then you have to give command. I'm choosing image from photo. I'm uploading it. Now I'm giving command. Now click on the option of 30 coin. Now on create history to see the progress in your video. It will take some time. Now your video has been successfully created. You can recreate it, save it and you can share it by clicking on the options given in the bottom. You can also delete it by clicking on the three dots and then choosing delete. Now for text to video, click on the T to V option. Now give command. I'm typing create a creative futuristic horse. Now again wait. You can see our video has been created. You can see the smoothness in the video. Again you can recreate, share and save it. Hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.